for Swami constituency, majority leader of Ghana's parliament, then also Minister for Parliamentary Affairs, Honorable J. Mensa, and the Excellency Agency, Modifa, and Office, Ghana, and the NDP, by the MP, saying, one more of now appears of say a live also on Facebook, TV, and then on YouTube, some dark TV makes me how is it like being a member of parliament and a family?
So we agree that secondary school for to prepare myself for the following week. engineer, again, the commercial people are assisting. Not only means that was over, maybe what goes into it, no, as the young, so we got about business, so it's yeah, okay, the one must be you are really cheap for business. Anything you can do, via, e sta succedendo. Non dobbiamo members, the phone is in the law, members,
For example, many majority honorable Chief Minister, Minister of Culture Affairs, eating on CP. I think the Parliament knows that we shall share the university, and congratulations after. But he's a very busy person now. My name is the Electoral Commission, and the man, and also my special, the reigning Bucharest, and I think the member of parliament for some constituency, the majority of my grand passenger, who are changes of Botswana and usually in Congo. But they came a lot of commission and the man soon at the upper, the political party. First of all, you see, what the platform so people are saying, say easy, they need to register. The better part is for as a local. And this shall I say by the can't be seen to what I say. Say in one page list of unwanted names, more or less goes in the infantry. I tried there because of the you, but I don't know to the extent that and may come on or this registration to see a year 16.7 million accreditation. See, I can say a year limited registration. Who we expect to say we can have a couple they 1.2 almost 16.8 million. Now, I say, they call 18 million. They call 18 million. 18 million, yeah, population. You see, a year, if I say, 30 million. When you're 18 million out of 30 million, what does it mean? 4 million. I just say, 60% of
Ghana for.
They need a voter age.
They do so. Is it possible? It's not possible. Because the whole of Africa, as against the population, among who try my 60%. Or maybe in one day 59%. Or maybe in one day 58%.
That is in Africa.
In Africa. Or maybe in one day 57%. The whole world will be in one day 60%. So when you have 60%, I think there's something wrong with you. Africa, or my back open and 55%. Or my the average is between 48 and 52%. So let's say average near 50-51%. 60%. Now, we need to make a chance. And then you take a chance, say, are you? We need enough. The one who should. What I say? Now, it's really before now. What it means is that you can't watch the 18 million. You don't even get it. Because let's face it, Ghana for Indian trial on contribution of the Ghanaians citizens. Ghana for one and one to about 30 million. I can grant. Not Ghana for the foreign Nigeria for years. I'm sure I have to say that. I see Nigeria for Ghana, there's a million. I don't agree. Anyway, because we had 30 million, that was 7 million in Nigeria for. What it means is that about a quarter of the population in Nigeria. So it means that typically Kokobi has one. When you quarter of population in Nigeria for you too. It's not true. In Ghana, 1/10 of Accra population is going to Nigeria. What is it? But we can have at least 2-3 million a year foreigners. And you will be yes. Does that mean that the population in Ankasa is 27 million? 27 million, the moves 18 million. The 27 million and 18 million, then you'll be in the region of about 66-67%. It's about 2/3. And not true, it's not possible. And he said there's something wrong with the place. What I say? Now, the whole parliament, you know, and I make cars in what can I say? Jackass or more, if I 3 million, that 3 million over trouble. There's no way everything for my money. Jamaica said, is it the case? Say, it should even from us. That 3 million was more theater. And on my house system, until I was say, but eventually, then it means that in the children from one, you can't come back to back. I said, and 7. How the beginner's asking me to pay him. That's what I can about one as I will. Yes, one as in Yansen. What does it pay him with the most? Yes, I was asking. So he's okay for me with the most. And ever trouble, about your 2,000 ever trouble. Because the road is there, I'm catch there. What's a good focus of a man, Benia? I am a Benina, you now I don't think about everybody at you will be more than what there was only that. What's the question with that? 1990, 2000, the year 2000. Yeah, very from campus. But as a modern day, you don't have someone I tell you. One of the land about yeah, none of your proposal. So, yeah, no say, if anything, a buying. That's all my workout parties, the sharing campaign to prevent the abuse of incumbents. And you say, workout parties, buying moms, they'll show my son. I'm of a campaign. I know that Operation Marcus is asking the room. What is it? I say, in the unlikely events that end before mobile to me. What was the reason I ran over? Now, in your back, no, you're the speaker. Can you just say? And also, the end you hit my power after 20 years. What kind of parliament do you have? What do I have that? Now, in your back, I said, you can Send me a friend to share. We find it. No,
as much as
no, man. Okay. Now, as I before, yeah, you lost his seat. And the one parliament. Now, can Yasaka, can you work as a Yasaka or a charitable to us? 20 years in a charitable, they work out 15 years. And don't you know, we are here on this area. There's no wisdom in this. There's no wisdom in that. But
timing, how they buy a crown, I need to.
That is a different, that's a different matter.
But most people say they don't want me to tea the time.
Oh, Nina, send your mom one of it. You see, you never make anything. Okay? Commission. I don't know something. So, one should do that. There's going to be chaos in this country. The same thing is there. Yeah, in the lead up to the creation of the regions, also quite limited registration regions also okay, to me a limited registration. What can I say? I'm up to one constituency. What should be a DB?
Yeah, in fact, more than 2,000 crowds.
Wouldn't they see? What happened was the commission and also electronic registration. Later on, so manual. I'm more of a electronic with that. The system is expiring. So the public because of electronic registration at the same time, and I collapse. You know, introduce manual registration. I'm not going to go out. I'm going to say, manual. Or more transfer call electronic device. And now, disappear. So the system couldn't go. Then to be engine. The good thing was that now forms no for Tracy the forms no fun. Migrating the forms. What do you say? So they make us say, yeah, you can do the electronic registration. And now, say, I say, a fact, a register was a 0. So, a passer, a mobile printer, what was the new baby?
You should one.
You should old one system. Because it said, also more printed in the market. Because over here, to see a political commissions that was ultra very good. Any bad, what else? Or name, no, which I gave you. The system is about collapse. What do you say? And indeed. But the 5% it who is the busy? Can be great confusion. Because the data commission but the system may fail. To see a
explanation will say, more said on this way. And then there is Nina would change 6 seconds. Me, never be a seal. The mamma can watch and I said, you could be a very special budget. Then you deal with the data commission. My master has my nation, but if you might be someone kind of way. To see a year, once I make us as a month, should you now who see also be a limited registration. The whole country. I didn't figure away. All system won't be used. So, new system, no, but you want something to do, actually, when you go to we are the way. You can't migrate to the old system. Because our system, and fairly. Everyone's those said then we create another system to hold it. Then we're going to have 2 voters registers. One that one. Yeah, no for monk as a video. What happened easy for me and that's what I'm you said now it's not the equipment. It's not the equipment. Right, Yama Yahakwaba. And Famra Sinopi on Kumaud TV, Yedi Kai Equity and Competition, the Ghana's majority leader, Member of Parliament for Swami constituency, and the Minister for Parliamentary Affairs, Honorable Chei Mensa Bonsu. And you know, Edika Kodin Komo.
na nsema kese miensa honorable chairman sabunsu kan ye de di kan ene se ene Ghana's parliament no modern boni ahoden na ebu mu na bafom fi se some members of parliament bi o ho a ahoden no na se nimdie no hyeda enni soro saa se de enkane no na esitie o se rolling second term ena na the first ureti a fi se modern bono na nimdie no wo soro pa. And then His Excellency the former president JJ Kufuor so first term na was through. But if free hoba no tiba parliament and hoden no eba form. Why? Because the caliber of persons are at times ye elect to represent us in the parliament no na ebi ho form no what the atuja o san say experience wise no na do no ho oba o gain experience no ano na obi disika bi free bi na obi piano to atwene na ono da abehye ho esa no a na ma yenya the qualified and experienced ones nti ne ye bas e wo bo members of parliament or more experience pa no a e bia wo bo honorable Sumani Baben na wabo ono no honorable chairman Sabunsu wi a e bia wo be sambo Haruna Idrisu obo few ones bi be 10 bi odo no a wo ha wo heda ehu mo sai bi mo so okra no ba parliament am dey business at the house no omo heda ntana wo sa akra na ebia omokra no etie proceedings obo so kwa head nsua de sa ewo masebedwam ho. These are the words from the Ghana's NPP currently longest serving member of parliament the Ode Atuja no majority leader wasan e kan say wo sisupi e de akire su dipia bedwafo say Swame constituency nyame ya adomu a after 4 years no onkobio na wa monitor hu say enipa ba ko mienu bi wo Swame a nyame e ya adom na se ono kora no ofiri mu no sankrofo no obi abedi ade a eye ebi kwa no obi na ba ebe miensa sankrofo obi abedi ade a eye. And again he was able to clarify say the electoral commission issues na NDC for say o kan say bi say ye new voter register enya ade say NDC beto any power bio no akirem that Ghana fo nyina say simpebejafo asa me kan ye no na me kan koka say NDC for no ya against the compilation and I make us and then they pa na poti na mo ye a war register no muntia mo be say be ye free mo no and yes say na mo ye dia it means say ye new voter register can be aso baba pa wana chepa the NDC for na gena no e dey esi bone eno ene nkomo ayi no ro achievement Sabunsu kodi ye otimi edit to ye no mo fa nche say na the audio no voice na na wase no na net no eden akra mo fa enche yatena se ewie na ya to ankomatwetwe no so on Kumawood TV. The program is Sinupi channel so we are live on YouTube and on your Samdakus TV and our face no on Facebook no Kumawood TV ubetimi do agent channel so aba on 0543 596 070 and then WhatsApp or the Bible nyamre nya kenkan etumi e the amount. The Electoral Commission of Ghana as a ending of this month, the last week of this month, omobashasiye na omaye voters register for my Ghana. Na enra enene enomdisi ho se omo air pilot the BVR machines are omobe use no. In some of the regions, obekasa are successful. But then when you go to western region, what dey no ene amaso. As if fidie no asay. You know every one enei Honorable Minority Chiefship Aswase na sebedwani Honorable Muntaka Mubarak na no dwada na press conference or the two judge mu say NPP manyekui omba sika pa de sika de ajapade pa de say fisika fa mu de omanya bi pa achede nso omanya bi pa na nso wo hwe mpuntuo pa nso a aba o man na say de junso aba akoko 1 million per constituency no e wo hene say sika no Doctor Muhammad Bawumia can say afibia no ever down not down for no let me decide on what to use the money for no ura mutakibusa say e wo hene o say japade de o man no nyame no kuri ni yenya bi pa e wo NPP amanyuku no ensem enam sikasemu na enso so e ba se nyuma pa de a omo ayeketu e bi ye no so ya tran sei e benyamre na yatumi e de ho enkomo but then yenko western region na de ne esiye Obra na Electoral Commission of Ghana omo air pilot the BVR machines are omo de be voter registration exercise no the NT amaso yenko na ye ne the Western Regional secretary for the NDC, Joe Wilson, and I think so Rex, John Fia, and so a deputy Western Regional Secretary for the NPP. Yanko na nkoma yeno motwetwe no yanko team reba ofata representing NDC Regional Communication Team member, and then Chairman Inusa NPP National Communication Team member omo ofie benyamre na yetimi edinkomo.
Ubi bakada pilot de pilot a damana nche expect nda maybe fifi problems bi o adana ho no poepoe a na enyambre na resolve na embre no so na se e deploy na chede by the time I bear the margin problem na anka solve that. Me you can say in the year 3 June it is the man be na be pilot na pilot na la sumpo e no ha touch ma na e ba some na reka kire Ghana fa o the work on work register yenyem be nti ameka kire the problem is so your problem you be take 1 month ya da solve no your problem o the yeka kire producer no po o manufacturer no po mo hwe no o ye no sesanda mebe no yenyim na yenyim bra ye nti na NDC na sabe won a wadwene Ghana na kanko na asomdwe ho ahemfo civil society groups imams asofo wo nyina wo kade ma meje mensa na MPPA ma wo ye odin bokomusum eso can be a want every opportunity a yisi benya oba justify no ho na MPP abotodo MPP kasa na yisa abotodo na yedi odin na edu baby ayeduri register yada to election ma MPP funala wodo bo won hon sabrani de wo wini by a difference of 1 million votes in the register here. Na was a cheap way say wo mu bia was or ECOWAS register. No chare ye president or ECOWAS president another a Ghana president. And so I roho. In see a kasa I dem ye free the Ghana funa the same Ghanaians and what to Obama won power. And see yen disenfranchise do na because in the your power and see to me yakade ubi or doing your passport and sign way to register the or ya Ghanaian. Under the sun, the only primary document Ochedo will be Ofi Cambodia and now Ofi Israel and Ofi Burkina or your birth set. Passport ya can birth certificate in Wado Kokaji, Moba, and Kita birth set or beche de ya Ghana ya or passport jobayet. NIA card the birth set. Ne catching and the primary document in the Hunya, Namun secondary document in the Boyusa. Agino Fimbi in Utrima, the man among Yada Butu. Nti ya dem ye kan dey twato in there ya kan bebre na ma index way so onya big one into the east there mo da we enyi mo reba ne se we ntie ya futu mo da we enyi mo reba no oyaza onko magana na asomdwe we ke gina baby oye baby pa obi baka the pilot the pilot dem na nche expect
maka the electoral commission dem a wo hye the wo be pilot registration wo sha se ne da and yin na ye ba ha I had the privilege there, maybe partake of the process. Me too, me and my card, or me. Yes, some of colleagues from the NDC side, they were even the first to register, right? And say that close of the day, we two more register and go 73, which was very successful. I am down the pay, everybody I was all do, and the pay na yebe na was set up we do besha say na on pay no kade when a technical problem with the machine nti wontum na won so do na and then so I me investigation chira me there oil pilot nti only one machine no way then we use for nti no chede one machine we use on without any backup. I hope you have one yard to continue to the problem why then why ansana. And this is exactly what has happened this morning. Because of the technical HNC registration no do. You say CR America say we be able to munkan train the more the more into the into me young so do another the margin the not into a day or nonsense one but the might be a baby na pon crapo you have reps of parties. I represent MPP. My colleague from the other side, no ejina ha. If you dey penyin no obutum na obutum waka. Kasa na wa me ni nchiremi bi de ho na wa ben dem not. Nti the moon or say on number 6 I don't want you had. You want to match where your programs are. I believe the way registration is usually what the backup machines about the hobby but go to was it the harbor with this one was it backup and whatever, but he answered them. And see, I believe that whatever the problem is, is solvable. And see, we assume that we would want to catch him a horn more say, na, corner of for do them, what for and they being to market, oh, or your machine, you know, was the dog crack and was I ye, them and they be not was sharing with Pepe. Macade, letter commission, them, I was share, there will be a pilot registration, was shall say another. And in Baha. I had the privilege there, maybe partake of the process. Me to me, I'm a card, or the meaning. Yes, some.
Right, yes, sign Emma Eva Kwaba, Famra, Silopi on Kumaut TV. You so, ye team come Western region, and your coin, and they did 2 of the piloting of the Electoral Commission BVR and BVD machines. No, Hong Kong could be some regions in Ashanti region. Has been successful, upper east, upper west, and some regions have been successful. But in western region, almost say from Zokakra, Abomufidi and Montino, almost suspended. And almost we have 77 people no register our western region, Lay, and to me, and to us, if say Mufidino, or how Abahon. Yatansi, of a Ashanti Regional Communication Team of the NDC. What about Bokode? I Inusa Sedu, a regional communication team, and then regional coordinator or boss, Hefra. Boss Ababa. If you have a coordinator.
In fact, I see that I fata Onyankompo. Say, a memory, yet that's to come, I a Ghana for. A memory in the Ghana, a pass anyone, our baby, our US for my baby, I bet I a proud say, or a Ghanaian. What him say, the whole world have voted His Excellency the President as the best president of Africa, as we speak.
The whole world?
Yes.
Who would vote to me?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, you see, majority in a democracy.
Sabi the course when
a course of Canada.
I'm not Canada, I'm Sabi.
And I will do a internet affiliation.
A Ghana for never Papa Moment Penny.
The break
was saying that it will internet.
Me say Ghana for be Africa to be, and now we are the best in the whole of Africa. Yes.
Right. Yeah, be Hong Kong. Yes, or buy you so yes, Kappa, so one eye in the market to Accra. But I shall see on the Electoral Commission. But Electoral Commission, 2 days on the sea or somewhere piloting of the BB machines on Misu, come fast on the processing and running there. But then it seems across the country, Gaya Kama, Western region, Kraba.
Na yammo NDC mpanyinfo aba so pa so mo ma Ghana fo nyina hu se e crop auditor ana na na kufu ado ana na electoral commission e pese omodi ye Ghana fo emi wanwa so wo kasi esi Ghana nyina is successful any western region ko an ya problem
most of them
Greater Accra MPP Ablekuma Central MP Odin in Sakosi afidie no so wo gina ho more than 1 hour when afidie na ntini afa no afidie na ntini afa no Kokobono regional MPP organizer Odin in Sato afidie no so I catch say we register data
ni na enne
we register anura sam na me kan so almost as anura anura problems ni ba ye no ene na die na ye ka bo
staff nko
problem ma ye ka say eja and the Kufuado and the Electoral Commission airport. No young person, I couldn't say the June 4th. So we need that. And near me, see here June 4th for buying. The beer of Kufuado and the Electoral Commission. By young person, you better visit, sir, and near my young bill. Until I give for a software and penny for and to a Kufuado and Electoral Commission for say. A 2 year rule swing, but actually at the assembly. nanso Akufo-Addo so wontie.
But I said we are piloting. We na ebie
piloting no eti na ye catch say time na ye dey buy new register no kra no wrong. Piloting kra na pressure na wo so nipa kakra bi nya saletim na wo regional office mo to wo NDC ni me challenge say wo ye Fulani ni aba wo ye Bujanga wo ye Ghana ni NDC MPP ni so me challenge eti ye hwesa bekoto and na obigin in sesi so first time you didn't say so catch say when register that you are registered no it took assets and registration time no necessary we ko sia Ghana be fa na to ma pa fura fa de ye pe no e Ghana be to Ghana because
but we say any news say business aba ko so
na ohene e news pa afidia wo say eno de e papa wo say electoral commission tina se catch say say afidia na e wo ho dada no omo mo ye catch say spy omo ntimi ye no hwe ntimi ni say de e ba no ye papa esne de e wo ho nti say de e ba na ye papa ye nim na ye nim se ne bibia ye kama na say obidin sa position na catch say one register dada abi afidia no ye register wo bia wo so da wo ka say eduru mass ayi no na koye say adi atunwie beba adi atunwie beba nti ye ka say enya bone say wo ye new register but time na wo dey here no sisi a wo ye we mu nyina wi challenges a wo be wi wo wi abeye exhibition ana me bwa wo be exhibition na wo bia ne dini ba mu mienu ni nyina makoye de ne wo nya wrong information mo yi and some market say ni passment wo fata wo edini we abeye ye hwe ye no say ne titi sa be ye fufura na what is ni nyina within night 6 months ya etaye ni
am so bit me
enya almost say it won't be possible etinye de wo mo ka so so betimi aye o ka che so mo fidie ne papa ana nura ana wo bi we na nura wo we ana ya abekuma central MPP wodi ni sesi so medue ya de yo e greater ground enya me na kro mu bontefu atum ye kayo enkran wo jina won na wa ansare wo bia wo ko
say you say we no a pilot we no may hu say fidie no how ba ko ni bi na wo want ene mo ni mu ya na wo so botu to ni ma
enu ntina me ka chira wo say piloting na eyekitu e bi regional office eni paka kra bi mpo hwe challenges a ebem voter off I'm na young friend oti region the whole of 6 good hours in running nenom ye yina on to register ni part 13 asidi na break any part 13 it is all over 12 hours at 6 hours for half a say and register ni part 13 ya what the fidie na ma problem say ye mba asesna o fi say problem ben ye benya hwe a wardrobe ana Akufo-Addo ene electoral commission no boom me so kwa na sabo be si unu aso aka che free ne so free yaso ka se free ne so ti so free ne so o de ba so abatuo ene ma Cote d'Ivoire du ba bia duro no abatuo ene ma sa Kenya nsam ye hu ye election we ya ye wo mo ye 2020 no ye hia bia bakwasa wo Ghana bakwasa mu dawo ete ye crucial ye was sitting president on your record some by my ye we and you was former president so no so your record some by ye me ye we and you do mo betu nsem ye ni ete ye challenging ete sentibia ni baba eto commission ni kwa so ma na ho kwan na nam ne so ba
and this one mo hwase mo na mo ye bi
oh say ye near registration but piloting say ya for your mo hwase mo a e be na ka problem say ye ka mame okay mame slow na ka sem na ade mesin say wiem say wa amwa so obi di machi na me ko ya say wa register me aso nim say me register opiase obi anim say register na say fidin ka sem me register etu ka say me tweme ho amobi and dey chaos ebeba Ghana no we are not in normal terms say the president he can enti ni ko say e kofun tun at the first floor at the back of how problem are you want so enti you catch no man panyin say enough is enough and nothing one ya proper the door and now sorry nyina stop Ghana mo ya ha because of MPP or occultic spirit of the other put to man
yes
that's not fair and it is true
occultic spirit ni free
oh man penny no occultic and you know funding now of the man. The thing was so crazy. Sorry. I'm serious.
I'm sorry. I'm also serious. I'm sorry. You don't have any evidence to prove say it's sex. Please.
It is not by please. When I make comment, you can disassociate yourself from it.
I will not allow you even to say it.
And I will say it 10 times because I am not make as a partner make as a
TV Amansane Yena Yedimu
Yami Wanina Enye Yesu no diamame Yami Wanina Yena do Morocco Sete Chama Dabodium Emoja Vidimu Afusane Netwa Yejum Ama no da Kumawud Yaka Stadium Se wanhwe Kumawud anwa ha ho upeti papa ye Kenya miasem ye entertainment football adie bia na koso wiase bia se wi Kumawud a miniti bia obi na fo Kumawud Yaka Stadium ya mi sha se we
Kumawud TV Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawud TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu
Ghana, hello everyone. Me did the slide, me actor. We a Kumawud TV. We the Yaya demo movie beer, mo pesa mo share. A chi movie piano. A movie in Ghana ha, especially in our local language piano. It's all about Kumawud TV. So keep watching Kumawud TV.
TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawud TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Sini papa be na upe biashe Amansane winna no baby Kumawud TV Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawud TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu
Konyenya Harriet Godon manyang fiala ganya actress ha lenya fofo yi da shada manno na nyi ha kona Kumawud TV ya elle
right yes I am I for akwa Emra Silupi on Kumawud TV ego so ye di enkomo ofatawa ha in fact very unfortunate but then surely we disassociate ourselves from that comment from a penny occult ye need evidence we are to base that Tamanusa
Mike
piloting electoral commission but they say I say ya jegu anisa o hear the CCC ya mentio yes 20 na say it is good say you no now
okay mama fa wakunya we so na menasi menna panty penifo awo asentema mu ha asi pa o ma ya de ni atoso mienu electoral commission simulation exercise now omoye no. To be honest with you, by and large it's been successful except one incident now central region Okaya no western region Okaya no Takoradi dia no only that many any other evidence reported widely on any network say na problem bi ho mami nya correction bi ofata okasa no okasa Volta region enura omu register 17 people and afide no essay it is not true me pacho the whole of the Volta region the simulation exercise number now mo expecting is 413
okay
and now mo expected to do for the simulation onim say we no enye normal registration until a electoral commission staff even with that crampo sa particular card na edemo a dummy card you can't use it to vote
but any staff on kwa and me asante regional board
some new year
me say some ko twemu a
largely
metimi ba ye
largely a electoral commission staff you know modiya exhibition no and then some few other party executive or members what do I say and now mami ye near Volta region na okano or see omu ye 17 is that what you said me person me ko to ye
Ubusam
me pacho me bisa
we ye host na so ye what take makamaka na wo react one tia ade tina o react obi kasa no one tina sama yele na react to na se
okase voter region no mu ye 17 pe na machine no call of oboa
oso oti region
oti region oboa voter region 413 are going to go through the simulation exercise and as at yesterday before 5 no more 170.
Okay. So that's Oti region.
Yes.
Okay.
Oti region. You don't know what you are saying.
If you have any reaction to
Chroto.
On invite you Busamio.
Me bisa o back no went me ngia no.
Enye menti ne da bi ubusa question na aboti na ebu ya. Won ti dia me won ti asama me tun che wan ti ase. Me no can make a voter radio figure bit.
Chroto. Tawa yankweni.
Me pacho ofata.
Tawa yankweni.
Oye pinyi mintufu.
Yankweni.
Na mu uba se ubekasa ma NDC na me ba se me bekasa ma NPP. Minka asama ebe ye wo de.
Minim saba, so don't invite me to your commission.
No,
you shouldn't invite me to your commission.
Me can throw our TV so. Nso minka asam entie penyini a oni ha od be defend no ho. Nti me stand no ntu so di wulemu na jame. Wotuma se me Quran say lakum dinukum waliya din. O say wo kwan me se me kwan. Don't worry me.
Right. Ubetimi do agency aba on 0543 596 070 0543 596 070. So and I'll be watching live on Facebook Kumawut TV and then on YouTube as Dakus TV. What they say ubetimi here also.
Sabaki see NDC typical of NDC. Eye adiba kuna omumpa. They cannot do it democratically. Na MPP yempe register na ewehe since opposition na yesi yensisa. What is say you threatening say you be Ghana? No, democratically you pe new register. The bia you pe new register. Now you consistent so pe new register. But you ba be new register and now see we be kuwe, we be arrest we, we be kidnap we, we be rape we. What kind of human beings are this?
Those things are
Ghana.
These things are allegations.
Ghana.
So we don't have a basis to.
Ghana, you can't do that. You can't do that. Ultimately, and kase besi just because of new voters register. Ghana yeti ye ho asipa ye nimnia every piece. And now, ye MPP for any electoral reforms bia our Ghana bia no far by NPP. Check history. Even before now, any electoral reforms good for that matter. Eba Ghana bia ne far by MPP. Empty sa you would that particular record to touter. Na say you see sa this particular register no enya yanya fufura ye born in India. Meanwhile, you starting from the onset no na say cost and they beat you to the cost. And I'm free cost no see time and they beat you to the time. See I'm see COVID-19 we are beating you to it.
But still now no can time.
Okay. Mami kachiro. Emrani so bia. The point is that within period now electoral commission MI we would finish the registration and do exhibition. You see the constitution says all exhibitions might have been done 21 days before the election, which is somewhere November, thereabout. Yes, sir. So, why say, Ubeka say, from now to that time, you have to registration and do exhibition.
But then few machines I have some problems, no. Do we have a cause to worry?
No, we don't have a cause to worry because Uka say, and electoral commission addresses our issue. No. I don't speak for electoral commission. I speak for MPP. What am I saying? Nemo, I was say, you make sure say, your institutions now, government institutions now, work a krum animal, ye tau muchi, na omuntiminya juma kwa constitution no, a mandate to omuse omuntiminya emaye. Nemo sa u discredit no, na nyamin pengu, NDC ba power ochina. Are you going to sack everybody in the electoral commission, they are workers, they are Ghanaians. Your brothers and sisters in there. What am I saying? We should be careful the way we discredit government institutions. You cannot say the whole of electoral commission omunya poodles. Not just say near MPP that is absolutely unfair.
But also
on your colleagues
the electoral commission because over the weekend to be fed National House of Chiefs the say even in the attempt to invite the electoral commission some moment and National House of Chiefs
and you're over the weekend.
Not that it was about the statement came over the weekend.
Mimi just said letter na ye trauma na mimi pesa mi continue. Until it was not over the weekend, grandpa. It even came earlier. But electoral commission no Emma the reasons are want me uncle. I don't know maybe can me nya kasama former electoral commission. What am I saying? But essence will be something na me yano. Yes, I can mean yano because my concentration this say yen as an MPP you pay new voters register because this particular voters register no is bloated. It's not credible. And the parties our Ghana Hanyina Jatum say it's not credible. Because NBC say CSC register no and say to me Adiakotuaba. It means say Sakan say ya ubesisi. That is the point. It means Yanyina Jatum say let the voters register now you was siano and you're correct. Say you're correct no see ye per fufro, mumusi ye per repairs. And I call market repairs no be cost more a chain fufro. And I see Sadi and the Fufro. That will include facial verifications. A bet ma adi Jumanu a year and Magana for. And a ye. Na electoral commission in the data. Try say bedroom sad and a no, I must say voters register no. Sub ye be voter register Ghana beshi any Sani Monomono. Yeah, exhibition or more or more decline.
I'm so much said
not the regional MDC secretary. I just spoke to him before I came here. Omuna Mudikai, no one pictures or none any mommy. Omuna Mudikai. Say, Mike, me bisa say a chirikoko. Ye to me din my money ye. Muna Musi Moon Penny voters register. I don't know one tenant chain, ye exhibition. More called saline. Muna Muya first person, sir, ye mamu.
Okay,
what do I say? And the NBC4, to be honest with you, Omo nimni omupe. No more, Omo you Musa say, no, not gonna for now. You're the power of Sham. I want to say it here and now that there is nothing that is going to happen in this country. The security forces are alert and they will not allow the peace you enjoy Okrumhano to be eroded by anybody's selfish interest. If you have 8 years and you couldn't do anything and you are done with and you are left with 4 years in your whole lifetime to ever be a president, that 4 years passion cannot send this Ghana into any banned states.
Chairman Wisa and I would say some message somebody about Kakra from Masaudu in Bantama. How can the NDC stop EC from exercising its constitutional mandates? They are now secretly preparing and organizing themselves for the registration. Hypocrisy and double standard. New register is a must. Regards to Honorable Nana Kwame Asamoah Boateng, Jacobu DCE. We so as a okay. As a Kumawut TV, we are watching you live from Libya. Good evening. Please still address our issue for us. Yes, Libya for more issues now. We are in touch with authorities in this country. Everyone feedback and check some issues now. Very good. We say good evening, Sir Mike. Please kindly tell the NDC man to tone down. Jackson from Jacobu. Okay, Jackson. So they are the Abba. Right. You also between the message Abba on 0543 596 070. WhatsApp. Name Amre. I can kind at me at the amount. We say from DJ Omanle NYUC Goso, thank UC chairperson Miss Jane Mensah for the piloting of the new voters registered. We are now going to have a card that makes Ghanaians be a Ghanaian and Togolese be a Togolese. No more foreigners again. Okay. I say regards to Honorable Martin J. Mensah Kosa, incoming Techiman South NPP. Okay. OPK Goso. I say Ghanaians have now seen the NDC lies, propaganda, hypocrisy, double standards, and above all, confusion in NDC against the EC by allowing their members to participate in the voter registration pilot exercise. They have their card. Don't mind the NDC for more, for Nana to do more. Okay. Nanaya Jedu also write from Atebu Amantain. Sir Mike, good evening. In fact, great show. Please tell the NPP man to be truthful. The EC has committed a lot of offenses. Don't allow them to deceive Ghanaians. God is watching. Okay. And also the Abana. Right. Emilia also writes from Asanwase. Or say, isn't it surprising that the so-called new BVDs that this Jane Mensah's EC is going to use for the registration isn't good? Because common trying some warrants were working at Bono region, according to the news I saw and heard. We are now going to sell our color TV for black and white, and Ghanaians must stand against this action by the Electoral Commission. Greetings to all social democrats. Okay, and also the Abanon. We say I'm sorry for the NPP to endorse EC's diabolic ideas. Yaumenu. Okay, yeah, what if here now the Abana yet right? I mean, Samra, but then my main coach, I mean, first. Good, I'll come to your mother. Then you have your time, not area. Honorable Muntaka Mubarak, say, Mobile money scapa. Sikapa, the Bessia Pounds, Madiba. But yes, Casamon Pamon Sanchez, the Maya. Very little. 1 million per constituency. No constituency, or the number for mana.
Samai, me nasi bibre. Me pesa me fa akunya weso. Na honorable member. Me manual education. What am I saying?
Okay.
Sitting in parliament and not knowing say 1 million per constituency is working in this country now. I'm sorry for the people of his constituency.
Okay, let me do this correction. I say, move on to one. Dr. Mahmoud Wimia can plain say.
Yes.
It is kind of a baffle. Ama Muhammad said the emphasis can and Muhammad the aye.
Yes.
That is what he said.
That is exactly what is happening.
Oh, okay.
But me can't tell you. No matter young can what TV so. No. Ultimately, enchre we na one chre we evidence. What am I say? All the 1 million per constituency per year yet they are channeled through the development authorities.
Okay.
We have Coastal Development Authority, Middle, and a Northern Development Authority. I can say for a fact, say, Northern Development Authority, scanning in our buyer, and they are working with it. Say they tell the constituency to bring Mpumto Juma our mupe and then they'll use it fund that for them. Utma say yati consultants so
far in 3 years
each constituency has taken 3.
Okay.
What must say?
$13 million per constituency.
Those who have yes.
Okay.
Those who have arrears, the money is there. Until MP, a sitting MP, high-ranking member, former minister, can sit in parliament. Now, Okase, on him, say 1 million per constituency and call baby. I'm so shocked. Share? Say yenya akunya. Say ye best serve a man for our room ha. My ambu munim here. My young funny say, ye special until I parliament no. Debbie and Tissa. wontimi nkyɛ sɛ wo nkwa na wo nya sɛ wo tirimu nti asam bia abeba bia na wo aka no eno no enyina sɛ asenokure todo. It is not so. I was just setting you an example of Northeast region. What am I say? All the 6 constituencies that are there, $1 million per constituency, no, has been released by this government. Developmental projects, I'm a consultant now receiving developmental projects. And they are following it.
Member opportunity next week.
Yeah.
Right. Just within Asante region.
Yes.
Within Kumasi.
Yes.
Get about 3 constituencies.
Yes.
Never the project Akoso. Because I think
me say kabe me de pass ubema me sa akunya no na me fa constituencies no by constituency emra. If for nothing at all just within the Asante region na me famra na yenkama atiefo etie. And you will help the MPP say be ya you be we know more than 1 million votes.
Yes, 1 million per constituency.
Mayenka Ghana for Sabi Perekosi yes Robin as a Pomena Mountain. See a parliamentary hands programs are aqua parliament. Say a year state of the nation address, say a budget, say a the end of year no one could share and near my passing through parliament here. It is on the record. Say our council, our year special initiative minister. Now parliament the country will say 1 million per constituency no 2017 and Myanmar na omubedi 2016 2019 no na 2017 because of na omunte board any authorities and now what as a communicator catch say 3 years again in aba na wo so na catch am say we Muslim na Quran say anything to win control we better to Quran in control say because what you know say we at some the party maybe 4 years and you 4 years at some year what catch them so far come about program for member with you what can see a program na member with you it will better program so we say you the back it is 1 million per constituency no and man me see my mini budget I demand now the call parliament co defend here our catch the parliament say 800 million Ghana cedis or they for yes website Emma yet no say a corona go bed you know me can one that me a womb so 1 million constituency per constituency no abandon farmer because not board no coastal one in here in name it's ya no take on India water number 2 when you head of a constituency per your constitution and your democracy
DCOMC
and your DCE constituency and your MP and you the head of the constituency. We have MCE, district, you know, and a municipal. But constituency, you have to abandon to MPP, no NDCO. You have to abandon. And to say, on my Nisika be a yeka. Every constituency, a Juma, your focus is party executive. So, you are now any say, catch say, MPP for one of the owner of Sicano. Meaning, say, Sicano for back door. And the constituency.
Middle Belt and the Northern Development Authority.
Middle
Belt, Northern Belt, Coastal Belt, Omuna, Minister of Special Initiative, Nasi. And the Sun Minister, no Parliament, I want to transfer Parliament, or Tisika, Ama. It is all better as a communicator, like a Canaba. Now, in any way, Montakasi. Sika millions of cities are on penny way by what Jessica a chair a bank beer and a party beer a better but young women to my beer who for why yet and when the Montakeka Ashanti rating and then next time at you a topic out the Mayan sure it was where to me prove what to a young 1 yard and then young prayer only be the proof yeah what can you so can you put the young train and your Ashanti rating yeah Kumasi na yẹn fẹ́ project a NDC yẹ yẹn fan compare the MPP so yẹ Akufo-Addo ní MPP yẹ díẹ̀ sentimental no ẹnna máa bá fún ọkọ gyina kí wọ́n lè kẹ́kẹ́ wọn sẹ́ mo di asanteman ẹni asantefoɔ yẹ bulldozer mo di yẹ ju pan no so gye pa wọ ne wia na wọ́n ato yẹ atwene na Akufo-Addo ní adeɛ baako mpo a Kumasi ya obetting in South Somakasa Mepaye, ya Santa Mama Yamamo.
Mesaba.
Ashanti region, ya NDC, betting in a military hospital amount, you're betting in a Seria hospital, you're betting in a Kegetia, Afuasi, one more 3 northern region. Almost officer, almost Jane Afuasi, NDC in Sunny.
Mesaba, was it please? Good evening to you and your guests. Sir, I love your program. I'm Upuni Frempong Joseph inside Domiabra. I am also one of your students. Okay, Upuni. Very good evening. God bless you. Okay, Upuni. Okay, but I have monitored of attack. The NDC man on many platforms. He always attacks his opponent and tries to throw dust on the eyes of the public. I don't know why NDC persistently allow this poor communicator to no Kingsford Bantama Boshan Kingsford I think said I'm a pharmacy genesia. But a good evening to you all. Ghanaians need a new voter register now. Greetings to Mr. Inusa, watching you live from Abra Sika Clinic. Hajia Emina. Okay, Hajia Yachia Nyumri. I'll say which day should Nana will allow foreign people to come home. God bless from Libya. God bless. Mbaba, why? Mbaba, Nana Bayan share number to me. Abba. Right. Mami mi ahumanuntum on 0200 603 602 0200 603 602. You can call in your views, your thoughts, your comments are welcome. But all fra na pama volume of the TV no akofom ni atunka ewo phone. Ebitimi abwaye pa. I say watching you live from Wale Wale. In fact, Chama Nusa is doing well. Greeting for me, Baba Nusa. Okay, I don't know Baba Nusa. So we are there. So what's up, right? Ubetimi afraid. Be manatu. Ubetimi afraid. Ubetimi active was so right. My number 2 minutes. Apata minutes. If I tell friends see WhatsApp line so. Number ne buskin anymore. I don't have it in my face.
Hello. Yes, good evening.
All right. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir, boss. Good evening, sir.
Mount TV volume nko from the NTO.
Hello, good evening.
Okay. Mount TV volume nko from the NTO. Hello.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Me tell one come out TV volume nko. Why?
Hello, boss.
Yeah, good evening. Okay, but munyi ni free so na mama for right na oh fra na ma volume no.
Hello.
Akofom. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, free.
Me fafi ke court.
Udin yentio.
Good evening.
Udin yentio.
Me fafi ke court. Or from Joseph Hagan.
Okay, Joe, yentio.
I'm the MPP not no. Me say MPP not no studio no kan ko. Me assembly member of Cape Coast South. 1 million per constituency no. We send them in for no. Me assembly member. We have not seen that money at the assembly. At least you're supposed to be at the assembly. The assembly members have to debate on this money. So where does the money pass? The info is kind of fair. I've asked the MC several times there. You can what to have an info is kind of far.
All right.
So you should tell the Ghanaians the truth.
Okay.
Yeah,
that's yeah, for good evening. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Yes.
Sir Mike.
Yes. Hello.
Hello. Good evening, Sir Mike.
Yeah.
Emilia ni mekasafiri asante.
Okay, Emilia.
Na tia ofa tamame.
Okay.
Na eye no mama yete otrofo ose na dance ni ewa aburuchire. Na eye no mama se that of APP ni o ti hono mo no. Ya man topic se on branda discuss. Say ya no kura pa se we mean say that of 1 million per constituency na mo future enku Ghana ko ni e no kura. Man ka o de flat as e ka na ba de ko se dan. Ono minimum 3 northern region chairman make minimum omo nimle pa afuase para no waye go afuase a efise MPP ga ye no adrese no mayama if no omo office kwa no NDC e market a omo si ye no that office ni na because of other power meeting omo dey ni ade adia aboso wo hono
Emilia na ase na M40 good evening hello good evening
good evening
Odine be afrefree
no
but Odine be afrefree
hello good evening
yeah good evening
yeah good evening
Odine be afrefree
by your friend Oyede you go bring
Oyentio
good evening sir
Yetio
good evening boss
Ipacha o fra na ma o me kan da bia so me nim de ntia afrefo ni bia na mo mpesa mo betie de yeka no good evening hello good evening hello tie o wo phone num ne jai tv no wo yesa da bia ru ntimi mfe tv so adaroma good evening
hello
good evening
hello good evening
Odine be afrefree yentio
hello good evening
Odine be afrefree yentio
àwọn pastor me ka say Libya
okay yentio fi Libya
pastor fa na mai wa tipa me ka say Libya
nana yentio nana yentio
me pastor NBC
na me pele ka menya Libya ne pa bare e ya mo ma mo ti mo nkofo
me pastor Bra
okay yentio
hello
abani yentio
hello
ma volume of your TV ne nkofo ne kasa
hello
hello good evening
hello
good
evening
yes yentio
good evening
yentio
Pacho mjindi kwani awoga
kwame yentio
because Ghana for Madison for kaze and NDC why about the voter register. You see a pilot say because a pilot is a year try share and as a party no it says you may call for problems or may encounter even if it happens Supreme Court say and I encourage my register as a party NDC we are saying we want limited registration not mass registration. It means non encourage me register and before and is 40 years they see a limited registration exercise for
come here now come here I say good evening
good evening
good
Mchapa baku penyo
that yentio
na mamo abasopa whatever bejuma we say here na be chini so interview ya mishanta na fata so me se chiano anya no wabo adwuma papa anya me sure fata kwaso ayo adwuma densa na woni matuka bisi una ubidi watu na abosoncho dia amoka me na waskwa kaka bako peme kana so he mami yemesa nyama woni kuma ha adwen papa na minia chama watu MPP ni ultimate
oh too bad hello I'm said Dakro every so too bad wow yeah fancy okay
hello
good evening hello good evening okay I think say my minya just a minute now me find this education so wo frɛ o TV ne so a wo de wo betumi kura freedom ho ana one lower the volume of your TV set na what tie ho de free phone no you be kan bia no wie na abato ko tie betumi kwa kakra ho so chen say wo be frɛ na hello won tie nka so ka say wo tie answer dey very difficult for you ti da bia wo frɛ o TV so a lower the volume of your TV set and then listen to yourself on the phone e betumi atom kan yi pa right yen ko ni ko wi ofia Oba.
Ibani, nukoye wo say na na kufuado wo lose credibility. Ya na ye mo say MPP for better na ha ase omo kwa na ti Ghana am ya rate himself best president. E wo dey be rate be. E dey be na kutama do ye best president.
No wo
President ya, me pato president a, utimi ka kira wo manfo say Mon call for 1 hour. Now electoral commission there, mon call register 6 hours, 7 hours. And you call this a president, you have to believe in him. President, Oba Yesika Yajama Winano, Wintiminia Penyansa will send to make winning achievement. You call this a president, the year can say, Mameko Ford will be Ghana and Shamo. This is the hard time of the Ghana for Yaku. Nayako to a Betiano, Nayana Mouth Workers, yes, and your registration. And a Palati and Yakominia. Yaka problems, and you say, Yaka Palati, and then communicate problem
in a Santa Rene, no, yes, our friend Omar, have come meeting. All
right. In fact, Ofata.
Obey inviting you.
Me bumper say.
Obey inviting
from me, ho.
Obey inviting me.
Ne we now or communication now, person you know, or call other stations now. Bet me I deliver yepa.
Who back up
for credibility.
Now who buy and never what we are to what is credibility.
Say I'm not going to credibility.
I was to open talk of what they say. On buying this and 1 year to say,
so be credibility. You tell us to be your only credibility.
Who buy this credibility? Who give me kind of bachelor and after year can I give me any message for the what's that? It's one who cares credibility. I'm going to say some that could be applied by the 1 year. Credibility. Actually, I could afford to tell you.
Emoja vidimu fusane Metwa yejo Ama no da kumawud Yaka sedium Se wanjo kumawud Anwa haho Upetiru papa Ye chikanya miyasem Ye entertainment Football Adye biele kosu obiasi biya Se wii kumawud Minitiri biya bayine fo Kumawud Yaka sedium Yamisha sewe kumawud
Kumawud TV Amansane Yena yedimu TV aba Amansane Yena yedimu
Ghana, hello everyone. Me did the slide, me actor. We are Kumawud TV. We the Yaya Demo movie Bia, mo pesa mo share. Aye chi movie Biano. Aye na ye movie aye na Ghana ha, especially in our local language Biano. It's all about Kumawud TV. So keep watching Kumawud TV.
TV aba Amansane Yena yedimu Kumawud TV aba Amansane Yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe biashe Amansane Winnano baby Kumawud
Pat de Regino Kala fima Nya baby movies yo keke mi ejitima ya pe la fima akpo aka movies akpo ga movies akpo jobaji movies o ha musia no ya nya tonko be Ghanaian movie ko akko keke la fima ga iji ha wa me na le na nejra etela nya tomato so mi kejra mele kwa jagbagba ne na va awo advert alo boblo toto le